I got a product review for you, and let me tell you, you're gonna want this thing, because I'm glad I got it. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. Today, I got a little product review. Check out this laser distance meter. It is freaking the bomb. Ooh, did I just say that? Yeah, it's the bomb. Take a look. No, not this thing. These are great, right? But you know, when you're trying to do that 25, 30 foot distance or a long distance, sometimes and I'm trying to do this one-handed obviously, that this here doesn't hold up. This one is really good that it holds up for a long distance, but you also have this little end here gets loose over time, and you lose like sometimes a 1/16 of an inch or an 1/8 of an inch because it loosens up. So these are great and all, and they're kind of traditional, but dude, dun, 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 the laser distance meter, a CD-60 by CIGMAN. Not Sigmund and Freud, but CIGMAN. So this thing here, folks, and check out the case it's in. Look at this. To heck with the box, nice box, but check this out. See if I can open it here. Look at this. Nice little case. You're going to definitely want to review this. Comes with its own internal battery, so all you gotta do is charge it. I recommend charging it right away. You know, make sure it's fully charged. This is a magnet back here. Here's how you charge it. Little holder. Hey, can you see me? And then the instruction book. So we're going to first just go over this real quick, and then I'll turn this on and we'll go over that. So in this book here, nice bathroom literature. Comes in multiple languages. So really the top 16 pages, the first 16 is good for us English folks. The rest of you can figure out what page you need. Just like any other handbook, they kind of, sorry about the glare there, they kind of give you a little bit of reference to what each marker is on the screen and button and all that stuff. This is the part that's important here. Get in close. Look at the different ways that you can measure. Measure meters to what? Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Meters to hundredths, inches and tenths. 1/16 of an inch. Measure it in feet. And then the area and volume depending on how you want to measure. Tells you obviously how to turn it on and off. And then this here will tell you, and I'll show you it on the screen here. So you can measure it from this point out, or you can measure it from the back out, or you can measure it from both sides, stick it in the middle, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. And then you got the different ways that you can measure. Look at this. You can just do a straight line. You can do an area measurement, volume, wall area measurement, you know, height, angle measurement, indirect height measurement, you know, all kinds of stuff. When I first got this, I wasn't too sure exactly how it was going to work out, but man, look at this. It's even got a level, so you can make sure that when you're doing your measurement that you're holding it even level while you're doing your measurement, because you know how especially on a long distance, if your measuring is at a little bit of an angle, that actually affects your overall measurement, because at a slight angle it's going to be longer than what it truly is if it's truly level. So strong magnet, and gives you a little bit of an idea on the angle. Multiple measurement features. I'm not going to go in every single little detail with it, but I'll just show you some of this here. So it gives you an idea how to do each and every one. What I might have to do, because this is actually so pretty cool, is I might have to end up doing a separate videos on each one of these as I learn how to use it. Because I just got it, so I haven't been able to do anything. But yeah, it goes in detail on how to do each and every little thing. And there's even some information about error codes and stuff like that. And then there's some of your, they call it technical parameters, just to give you an idea of what's there. I don't know how well you guys can read that. I got a glare. And then we got in different languages. But, dude, what you gotta do to turn it on is this guy here. See that yellow and green? That tells you if you're level. So if see how I'm holding it at an angle and it's not telling me it's level? You see how it's moving there? So it kind of helps tell me I need to hold it like that. See, now I'm right on. And then what's cool too is to see if I'm okay this way too. See how the yellow and the green does? But here's also what's cool. You see in the upper left hand corner, see that little angle and it says 57, 55, whatever, right? 35, whatever it is it's reading. Yeah, 54, 55. Well, that's because of because I'm holding it at an angle. As you go down, it goes to 0, and then if you go down this way, it's a negative. But you can see there's something on each end, because you can measure it an entire wall. It doesn't matter where you are on the wall. Battery indicator, it tells you what mode you're in. So when I hit this bottom button here, see how you've got just a straight line, and then you can scroll through the different angles that you want to do, and then right back to the beginning. You can do this to go the other way. This guy here changes that guy there. So let's see, we'll clear this. And then this kind of tells me here that I'm measuring both sides. So I can stick this in the middle of a wall then and measure the distance of the wall, or the height of a wall, or whatever. And I don't have to go to one end and measure. I can just, wherever I'm at, I can measure. And then when you take and you press this, you see how it changes? And what's that referring to there is it's measuring from this point here out, and this laser's coming out this way. Here it's the opposite. It's measuring from here out this way. And now it's measuring from the front out. So it's pretty cool how you can, and then you're right back to the full length, if you will. And then to change your feet and all that stuff. So to change what you want to use as far as meters and inches and all that stuff, when you're on and you hold this down, change this to feet, to meters. See how it's going through each little option. So depending on how you want to measure, you've got all these different options. There's 6 total. That's pretty cool. So, did you guys notice? I got my best shirt on for you. Yeah, this is normally my work shirt because I can get it all grummy and tear it and get stuff on it. Anyhow, that's beside the point. I know I didn't get dressed up for the video. So, here what we're going to do. We're going to turn this laser on. Okay, so we've got it on. We're going to measure the entire wall. That's why I've got it set this way, so it's going to measure the entire wall. And we've got it set at, I kind of like this measurement, just your standard foot and decimal. So that way when it's like 2.33, then you know it's a third of a foot. So, oh hush, Concho. I'll take you for your walk later. I got to finish this in a little bit. I know, just go. Go. Dude, come on. I will in a little bit. Just relax. Go find some rabbits. Go get some rabbits. Hi. It's all about him. Alright. Now, this is a strong magnet. So, if you had, you know how there are some of those metal studs and things? You could actually attach it to that metal stud. If you had any other metal deal, like a metal door, you could put it on a metal door or whatever. So here I sit. I am within tolerance right now. The dot is green. I'm at 0.2 degrees. I'm going to measure the entire wall. And let me get my hand out of the way. I'm going to press the measure button. You hear the beeping? I press it again, it locks in the number, and you can see that number, 7.87 feet. And again, it's telling me up on top where I'm at, and it wants me to measure the horizontal one first, it looks like, because it's red. Press it once. Bam! I didn't have to press it the second time, and look what it did. So it gives you both measurements, and then the square foot, and it even has the little square above the FT. It is 65.08 square foot. Now that is awesome to know, because if you're going to paint this or stain this, and you get your gallon and the gallon says it covers 100 square feet, you know that this wall is 65 square feet. So you know 1 gallon will cover this, and you'll have basically a third of a gallon left. This, I'm liking this thing. Wow. Because in order to do that square footage, I would have had to go, let's see, 7.8, had to break out a calculator, 8.27 square foot. Dang, I don't remember my whole algebra stuff. Oh, my geometry. See, I don't even know what it is. It's geometry. Wow. Dude. This CIGMAN laser distance meter is a stud. I thought I was a stud. This is a stud. Wow. No more tape measure. Just break this thing out. Now, keep in mind, I even did this from the center of the wall. I did not have to go to the end of the wall, but I could have. With a tape measure, you gotta go to the end of a wall. This, just throw it up on the wall. Dude, I'm full of dudes today. I'm excited about this thing. You guys gotta get one of these. Get one of these. Get one of these. You'll be glad you did. I give it thumbs up. Damn it, why am I shaking? I give it thumbs up. Now I'm not going to go into all the little different ways that you can measure the angles and all that other stuff. I just demonstrated the basics, and and you can determine if this is going to work for you. But let me tell you, if you're doing any kind of work, you need this. I'll put on the screen the distance that it will go. I'm going to put a link down in the description there on where you can get one of these. And I want to thank CIGMAN for sending me this to do a little review on it. They didn't pay me or anything. They gave me this. And thumbs up. Nicely done. My name is Jeff. You've been watching Arizona Hot Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.